Hello besties, welcome back to another video. If you're looking for a legit platform that will pay you, whether you're in Nigeria, Ghana, Cameroon, Africa, anywhere in the world, then I have a platform to plug you to today. I have shared this platform here before, but for the sake of our new members, those that joined us this week, I'm going to share this platform again. I'm sharing it because, guys, you know that it is difficult to earn money online, especially from Nigeria. You can't even open a PayPal account from Nigeria, and you need PayPal account to cash out on most of the online platforms that we talk about. So this one is very special to me because I've really earned money from it. I joined it in 2020. You can check from 2020 up until now how many years it is. So it is special to me, and that's why I'm sharing it with you. You don't need PayPal account to cash out, so you're not going to be worried about not cashing out your money after earning. And again, it's not just about surveys. I'm going to show you how to earn more money from these websites. All right, of course you can complete surveys, but surveys are limited for those of you in Nigeria. But there are other ways you can earn real money from this website. This is not the one that pays you in points. It pays you in dollars. So we're going to dive in. Let me walk you through. If you have heard about it before, don't go away because I'm going to show you how to maximize your earnings. If today's your first time, drop your location, drop your country in the comments so that in my next video, I'll send you a hug. And to my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back. Those of you that joined us this week, those of you that subscribed to the channel this week, thank you for subscribing. And if you're new, if you haven't subscribed already, please hit the subscribe button, share with someone, and like this video. It's very important that you like it. Okay, so we're going to dive in now. Let me walk you through this website. Guys, I'm going to give you my honest review about this platform. My honest review about this platform, so that you don't make the mistake that I made on my first account. All right, it's very crucial that you pay attention. You don't need VPN because it's available worldwide, and if you try using VPN, the system will detect it and ban you for life. So don't click away, watch the entire video. Okay, let's dive in. The name of this platform is TimeBucks. If you know about TimeBucks, drop in the comments. If you have signed up before, drop in the comments. I need to know if you have signed up before, and you need to tell us how much you've made so far, because it's not just about signing up. It's about actually earning money from this platform. So this is the website, timebucks.com, but if you want the link, it will be in the description below. Guys, try to check my description because sometimes I leave links there. Instead of asking in the comments, where's the link? Always check the description, all right? The name is TimeBucks. Links will be in the description. There are so many things or so many ways you can earn from TimeBucks. Surveys are limited for Nigerians. When I was back home, I remember that surveys usually come up once a day, 4 p.m. every day, and I would always wait for surveys to come in, just one survey per day, and by the time you waste time, it would have been gone. So you can be checking to know what time surveys show up in your country, but for where I am, it's unlimited. As you can see on my screen, I have unlimited surveys. Okay, but let me start from here. This is my wallet, $1.177. This is my bonus. This is where your referral bonus will be, and this will be your earnings. It used to be $10 minimum payout, but now they've reduced it to $10. So surveys always come up here like this if you're on your computer, but again, they have a mobile app, but you can also log in on your mobile phone through Google. Okay, and one thing that I want to point out here is that you cannot use VPN. My first account was terminated just because they said someone logged into my account from one country like that, and I didn't respond because they will also warn you. I didn't respond on time and they just banned me accounts that I built over 5 to 6 years, I've earned up to $300 from TimeBucks. Like, I used to cash out $40 every week from TimeBucks. I was really committed, completing surveys and all. The account was terminated. I would have loved to show you guys my earnings from that account. Anyway, I just had to create this one. I just had to create this account for the sake of this video. But this is how much I've earned so far. And you can see current top ladder. People who earn a lot of money every day or every week, they have ladder. You see, this person has earned $343 and he's going to get a prize of $72 bonus. This person has earned $126, this person $120, this person $85, $83, like that. And they will earn bonuses, okay, for earning high. So if you cannot earn through surveys due to location, then you need to, let me show you other ways you can earn. Click on earn and then it opens like this. You can see games. You can earn through games, playing these games: Thorax, BitLabs, Prime N, IH Studios, My Chips. You see, they have 2,000 prize pool for gamers. I'm not a gamer, okay? And these are people that have been earning. Look, 260 people are earning from playing games. Then you can earn from surveys. If you're in a country where survey is unlimited, you can see the surveys on my screen is unlimited. If I take out my time now, like bring out 1 hour to complete surveys here, I'll surely earn more than $50 a week. I'm not joking. You can see the amount of surveys I have on my screen. So if you're in the UK, US, Canada, India, Kenya, wherever you are, you will surely find surveys, okay? But some countries are limited. All right, I'm not going to lie about that. So now you see they have 75 surveys available, and this is the potential earnings, $38.34. So if you cannot complete surveys, you can complete tasks. They have daily tasks for you, okay? They have total of 188 tasks with total earning of $151. So you can complete these tasks. All you have to do is to read the instructions. Like here, fill out a form up to 5 fields, install and open, sign up with email, confirm email, provide email address, provide phone number, use app, website. Per 1 minute you earn $1. So make sure you read the instruction as it is here. You can see, if you're ready, have accounts with this site, please use new details and email. So even if you have 10 emails, you can use it to complete this task and you earn like that. Copy and paste the link into your browser link. It will take you to a website. Visit the image. You will be taken to a new website to enter your email address. So this is the instruction. You can read instruction. They have lots of tasks for you to complete, and these ones are available worldwide, guys. They are available worldwide. It's only surveys that is limited. Tasks, games, offer walls, push clicks, they are available worldwide. So if you open the offer walls, you can see all the offers here, you have a lot of offers here. This one, I believe you can watch videos, just let the video play in the background and you'll be getting paid. Your money will be accumulating. Let's open it and see. So you can watch videos, you see? You can watch videos. Let me see. Yeah, Cheddar TV. You can watch videos. You watch videos, sign up on Cheddar TV, watch videos. As you're watching videos, I used to have an account which I cannot even remember my login details. You can watch videos, and as you watch these videos, look, just let the videos play, you'll be getting paid. I used to do these things in the past. Just let the videos play. You're not even listening to it, let it play, you get paid. So let me go back. These are things you can do from anywhere. So people think it's just only surveys. No, you can also get paid once you enable push click. Push click notification is you get paid to click on a link every 2 hours, or by simply completing any survey or offer you will get. So you enable this so that whenever a survey is available, you get the notification, or whenever a task is available, you get the notification. So once you get a notification, you click on the notification and it takes you to TimeBucks again. Then you get credited. It's that simple. So this one again is called clicks. All you have to do on this one is to click on a campaign like this. Click on this campaign and view it for like 5 seconds. Return, you get credited. And don't forget the leaderboard where winners earn bonuses. You can see potential bonus 72, 63, 46, 36, different bonus levels for highest earners. And for payment, let's look at the payment. They used to be every Thursday, but now payments are sent daily automatically, Monday to Friday, if you reach the minimum payout by the cutoff time, which is 11:59 New York time, 11:59 p.m. New York time. So once you make up to $5, automatically you'll be credited. Then for profile, make sure you complete your profile with your accurate location and information. For payment method, PayPal. Okay, PayPal is there, but don't panic, it's not just PayPal. PayPal is there, Payer is there, banktransferwise.com is there, ATM is there, Skrill is there, virtual visa card is there, Litecoin, Bitcoin, hold my payment, add to TimeBucks advertising balance. So I prefer ATM. When I was back home, I used ATM. If you want me to teach you how to sign up on ATM, let me know. They will send the money to your ATM account, and you can sell it in dollars or convert it to naira and send it directly to your bank account. I used to sell in dollars. There are bankers there that are willing to buy off your dollars straight away. So I'll just do the conversion, we chat, agree, and then send the money. So in my next video, I think I'll show you guys how ATM works. If you find a platform that allows you to withdraw your money through ATM, you're very lucky. So this one allows you to withdraw through ATM. The minimum payout is now $5, which is amazing. So this is the chat room. You can chat amongst other TimeBucks users, ask support questions, just general support questions. Questions like you didn't get your payment, can ask questions here. You can just click on join. You see millions of people here chatting. Hello, good afternoon, my payment failed today. Hi everyone. A lot of people are here. And if you have any concerns or questions, you can reach out to the support here straight away. Type your message here, what is it related to, and send it to them. So it is well organized. Once your money reaches the minimum payout, you get paid. And make sure you complete your weekly checklist. It's very important. Weekly checklist, because you'll be earning bonuses anytime you complete your weekly checklist. So I remember when I started this video, my wallet was on $1.177. Now it's on $1.180 because of the push click, or the click that I reviewed. You see, so there are ways that you can earn from this website, and there are surveys always available. If I have time now, I can just complete this one 4 minutes. There you have it. I thought to share with you guys. Let me know your thoughts if this interests you, and the link will be in the description for those of you who want to sign up. Follow the steps that I've shown. Surveys is not the only way to earn from this platform at all. So don't be worried, don't be scared. Remember, we're on a target. We're on a mission to make some money before Christmas. So let me know your thoughts. If you have signed up before on this platform, let me know. Thank you so much everyone for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, share with someone, and subscribe for more videos like this if you're just seeing me for the first time. I'll see you guys in the next one.
It's not a game, it's a